how to restore purchases on Toca Life World. So if you want to restore purchases on your Toca Life World, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your application at first. Once you open the application, after loading for a few seconds, you will have this kind of interface. Now you can go with shop, which is on the left side. Once you tap on shop, just wait for a few seconds and then you'll have this kind of interface. You need to just scroll down and scroll all the way to the bottom, and on the bottom of your screen you will have restore option on the bottom left or on the bottom right, but make sure that you're logged in under the same email that you purchased all the stuff on, or else it won't work. So it will just have the restore purchases option, but in my case I've not purchased anything yet, so I don't have that option. But if you've purchased something, then you'll have restore purchase on the bottom of your screen. You just need to simply tap on it and then you'll be able to go with the following procedure steps and you'll be able to restore your purchases on Toca Life World. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.